Good morning, everyone. How are you? I hope you all are good. Students, today we will start our video with a very beautiful rhyme. The title of the rhyme is Tops and Bottoms. Now, sing with me. Tops and bottoms, tops and bottoms, in between, rise your hands off, really good. Dry them like you should, clean, 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 clean. Students, repeat with me. Tops and bottoms, in between, rise your hands off, really good. Dry them like you should, clean, 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 clean. Now, students, we discuss about how to wash your hands. How to wash your hands. Okay. So students, washing your hands have 5 steps. First is wet hands under warm running water. Second is add soap to aid cleaning and to kill germs. Third step is rub well for at least 15 seconds. Fourth step, rise well under warm running water. 5 steps, dry hands with clean paper towels. Okay, students? So, students, sing this song while you washing their hands. Okay, sing with me. Wash your hands, rub and scrub and rub. Play this cleaning game and germs will go away. Students, repeat with me. Wash your hands, rub and scrub and rub. Play this cleaning game and germs will go away. Okay, students, we wash our hands with soap to get rid of germs which can make us sick. Okay. Students, do you know, students? Most germs can stay alive on your hands for 3 hours. Bacteria double in number every 20 minutes. Most people do not wash their hands for long enough or dry them properly. Coughs can travel about 3 meters if you don't cover over your mouth. Okay. Sneeze droplet can stay suspended in the air for as long as 20 minutes. Okay, students, remember this tip. Remember this knowledge. Okay, so students, tell me, when should you wash your hands? After using the bathroom, after blowing your nose or coughing, before eating, serving or preparing food, after touching pets or other animals, after outdoor activities, before and after visiting anyone who's sick. When your hands are dirty after changing a diaper. So students, keep hands clean with good hygienic. Some tips are showing on your mobile screen. Clear students? So at the end of this video, we revise to wash your hands tips. Wash your hands when they are dirty, before eating and after using the toilet. Cough or sneeze into your arm, not your hands. Okay students? Help stop the spread of germs. 5. Wet your hands. Soap, leather scrub, rise and dry. So help stop the spread of germs. Clear students? Now revise the rhyme. Tops and bottom, tops and bottom, in between, rise your hands off, really good. Dry them like you should, clean, 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 clean. So, goodbye students, take care always, have a nice day.